In previous video, we discussed chapter 14, mensuration, worksheet 3, question number 1 to 4. Now let us continue worksheet 3 with question number 5. The dimensions of an oil tin are 26 centimeter into 26 centimeter into 45 centimeter. Find the area of tin sheet required to make 20 such tins. In this question, you have to observe oil tin dimensions given, that is length, breadth and height given. When the dimensions given length, breadth and height, you have to think the given oil tin or the given material is in the shape of a cuboid. Here you have to find the area of tin sheet required to make 20 such tins. In this question they not mentioned directly you have to find the TSA or LSA of cuboid. You have to think find the area, only they given find the area of tin means you have to apply the TSA of cuboid formula. Okay, in solution first write down what given, length, breadth and height given. L is equals to 26 centimeter, breadth B is equals to 26 centimeter and height H equal to 45 centimeter. You have to find the total surface area of cuboid, total surface area of one tin box it is in the shape of cuboid. Formula is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. In the next step substitute all the values of length, breadth and height in the formula. Now 2 into multiply inside the bracket and simplify. 26 into 26, 26 square is 676 plus 26 into 45 is 1170 plus again 45 into 26 is 1170. Add all these numbers, will get 3060, multiply with 2, 6032 centimeter square will get. This indicates or this is the area, total surface area of one oil tin. But in question they are going to ask area of tin sheet required to make 20 such tins. We need area of 20 such tins. So what we have to do here? Multiply area of one tin into 20. Therefore, last conclusion, area of tin sheet to make 20 such tins is equals to 6032, area of one sheet, one tin into 20 will give 1,20,640 centimeter square. This is the total area required to make 20 such tins when each tin dimensions 26 centimeter into 26 centimeter into 45 centimeter. This completes worksheet 3, question number 5. Question number 6. A swimming pool is 20 meter in length, 15 meter in breadth, 4 meter in depth. They given swimming pool length, breadth and depth. You have to find the cost of cementing its floor and walls at rupees 35 per meter square. So what you have to do here? Find the cost of cementing its floor. Not only floor, along with the walls and floor cementing cost you have to find. They given for every 1 meter square, per meter square nothing but for every 1 meter square the cost is rupees 35. First write down given part here. Length 20 meter, breadth 15 meter, depth nothing but height of the swimming pool 4 meter. Here we have to observe, find the cost of cementing its floor and walls given. How many walls are there in the swimming pool? 4 walls. Area of the 4 walls plus area of the floor will give the total area to be cement. Here I will show in the example. See, imagine this is one swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid. You have to cement 4 walls including floor. 4 walls nothing but lateral surface area of cuboid plus floor area. Floor area is in the shape of rectangle. Area of the rectangle plus lateral surface area of the cuboid will give total cementing area. Okay. Now here area of the walls, area of the swimming pool walls plus floor is equals to area of the walls nothing but lateral surface area of cuboid, LSA of cuboid plus area of rectangle. Now write the formula here, 2 into LH plus BH plus L into B. This can be written as L plus B into H. These two formula are same children. 2 into L plus B into H is the lateral surface area of a cuboid formula. After multiplying H inside the bracket, we'll get 2 into LH plus BH plus floor area. Floor is in the shape of rectangle. Rectangle area is length into breadth. The next step, substitute all the length, breadth, height values. 2 into 20 into 4 plus 15 into 4 plus length into breadth, that is 20 into 15. 2 into 24 is 80 plus 15 4 is 60 plus 15 2 is 20, 15 2 is 30, write 10 as it is. 2 write as it is, 80 plus 60 is 140 plus 300. 140 into 2 is 280 plus 300 as it is. 300 plus 280 gives 580 meter square. What is this? This we got the area to cement including floor and 4 walls of the swimming pool. But here they are asking to find the cost of cementing. Cost you have to find. They given for every 1 meter square is 35 rupees. For 580 meter square, what is the cost we have to find. Last conclusion, the cost of cementing is equals to total area to cement, that is 580 into 35 rupees. 580 into 35 rupees will give the product 20,300 rupees. The total cost for cementing floor and walls is rupees 20,300. This completes worksheet 3, question number 6. Question number 7. A cubical box with lid has a length of 30 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the inside and outside of the box at rupees 50 paise per meter square. Here they given cubical box, nothing but the box is in the shape of cube whose length is 30 centimeter, nothing but in cube all sides are equal, each side given 30 centimeter. Find the cost of painting inside and outside. Inside painting cost plus outside painting cost you have to find if for every 1 meter square cost is 5 rupees 50 paise. Here cost they given per meter square. Length of the each cubical box side is given 30 centimeter. It is in centimeter, here they given in meter square. Convert 30 centimeter into meter. Length of cubical box equal to 30 centimeter given it is. Convert into meter. Already we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Here we required 30 centimeter to 1 meter. 30 centimeter to meter we need. So divide 30 centimeter divided by 100. 1010 get cancels. 3 by 10 remains. You can keep 3 by 10 as it is, or you can convert this fraction into decimal. 3 in denominator 10 is there. 3 after 1 decimal you have to write. You will get 0.3 meter. Length of cubical box is 0.3 meter. Here we have to find the total surface area of cubical box, that is outside and also inside. They given painting should be done for inside and also for outside. So what you have to do? Total surface area multiply 2 times, because inside surface area and outside surface area both are same. 2 times multiply. Instead of adding inside area plus outside area, multiply 2 into total surface area of cubical box. Here formula to find the TSA of cubical box is 6L square. This is the formula. Here we are doing inside and outside painting. So multiply into 2. Don't get confused children. 2 here why we multiplied means we have to paint the cubical box inside and outside. So multiply 2. 2 times of TSA of cubical box. 2 into 6 into L square. L we got 0.3 meter. 0.3 into 0.3. L square means multiply 2 times. 6 2s are 12. Here decimal multiplication. 3 3s are 9. 1 digit after decimal. Here 1 digit after decimal. Total 2 digit after decimal. We have to write from right to left. 1 2. 2 digit after decimal. We'll get 0.09. 12 into 0.09 is equals to 12 9s are 108. 1 2. 2 digit after decimal. 1 2 digit after decimal. 1.08 meter square. Therefore, cost of painting the box both sides is equals to, for every 1 meter square cost given 5 rupees 50 paise, multiply 1.08 meter square into 5 rupees 50 paise. After multiply, just shift the decimal 4 digit after, then we'll get the cost is 5 rupees 94 paise. To paint both inside and outside of the cubicle box, the total cost is 5 rupees 94 paise. This completes question number 7 from worksheet 3. Next, worksheet 3, 8th question. 2 cubes of sides 4 cm are fixed together. Find the total surface area of the new solid formed. This question is important, children. Write star mark. Here they given 2 cubes. Each side is 4 cm. Here I showed here. Consider 2 cubes. These 2 cubes are fixed together. Nothing but these 2 cubes are joined together. After joining, we'll get a new shape or new solid is going to formed. For that new solid, we have to find the total surface area. After joining these 2 cubes, will form a new solid that is in the shape of cuboid. When 2 cubes are joined together, there is a new solid formed. The shape of the new solid is cuboid. Now you have to find the total surface area of a new solid, nothing but cuboid area we have to find. Here in this question we have to look at in one case, when these 2 cubes are joined, length is going to be changed. Each side is 4 cm. Each side of the cube is 4 cm given already. When these 2 are joined, only length is only going to change. Remaining breadth in the cube and also breadth in the cuboid are remain same. Here 4 cm, in the cuboid also 4 cm, and height also remains same, that is 4 cm. Only what is going to change here? Length is going to change. 4 plus 4, 2 times of length of the cube is going to change as a length of the cuboid. That we have to keep in mind while solving like this questions, children. Now in solution we have to write, when 2 cubes are fixed together, then the new solid formed will be cuboid. We got, after joining these 2 cubes, we got a new solid will be in the shape cuboid, whose length is equals to 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 cm, and breadth, this breadth remains same here, that is 4 cm, and height also not going to change, height also remains same, that is 4 cm. Only length only change it to 4 to double times of 4, nothing but 4 plus 4, 8 cm. Now what we have to find here? Total surface area of new solid. New solid we got here cuboid. TSA of cuboid we have to find. Already we know the formula to find TSA of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now substitute all length, breadth and height in this formula. 2 into 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. 2 write as it is. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32. Add all this. 6 plus 2 is 10. 0. 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. Total 80. 80 2s are 160. 8 2s are 16. 160 centimeter square. Here we got TSA of a new solid, that is cuboid, is 160 centimeter square. This completes worksheet 3. All questions, that is from question number 1 to question number 8. This worksheet 3 is very important, children. So carefully observe the videos and try to do own, children. Thank you.